Welcome everyone to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to do scrambled eggs the proper way. All you need is 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of creme fraiche and 100 grams of unsalted butter. Salt and pepper. That's all you need. Let's start to cook. I got here a normal pan. I'm going to put, let's say, 30 grams of the butter in now. Just mix it a little bit, and I'm not gonna leave it to melt completely. And now what I'm gonna do, I'll put the eggs in. It's normal hen's eggs. You can do it with duck eggs as well. It's actually much rich than this. Now I'm gonna break it slowly. I'm gonna put some more butter in and mix very gentle. The heat needs to be on medium and you mix very gentle in it. Now that it starts to come all together, I'm gonna put a touch of salt. Tiny bit of black pepper. If you like it, you put. If you don't, you don't. Mix very gentle again, and we put the last pieces of butter in, and we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of creme fraiche. You mix it again, very gently. Put the heat up a little bit. You're gonna have the impression that the eggs are not cooked, but the eggs are actually cooked fully, and they are nice and fluffy. And that's it. This is my scrambled egg. Perfect recipe. I think it's time for the taste test. It's a very simple, very quick video, but trust me, if you try it once, you're definitely gonna do it all the time like this. I know it's a lot of butter. It's not actually a diet dish, but super fluffy and tasty. Look. It's so nice, it's almost silky, the taste. It's amazing. Super delicious. This being said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next week with a new comfort food dish.